Hello guys, this is Rome Tips. Today I show you how to use Gemini for Google in Google Sheets. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me and show you how to do it. Alright, create new project or open old project, your Google Sheets, and install AI assistants for Sheets and write formula. Alright, double click and write this and write command Gemini. Okay, and write prompt, write top 5 movie in 2025 years, genre horror. Alright, and close and press enter, loading and waiting. Alright, this. Okay, and that's all. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me. Bye.